Welcome to Life Changes IND. So in this class you learn syntax and comment in PHP. So shall we move? PHP syntax. A PHP scripted is execute on a server and the plain HTML results in sent back to the browser. So next, basic PHP syntax. A PHP script can be placed anywhere in the document. A PHP script start with end this simple. So default file extension for PHP files in .php. A PHP files is normally contain HTML tag and some PHP scripted code. To note this point, so PHP statement end with a semicolon. So next we can example for syntax. First start with XAMPP, start Apache, and open my PC. So I save the XAMPP in Windows C. So open XAMPP any folder. So you can open htdoc, create new file. You can replace the name to anything. I am using LC. Sorry. I'm using LC. So and next we can start VSS Code. So open VSS Code. File, open folder, go to LC, select folder and open. Then shall we start index? I am using index.php. So next you have used the code for syntax. So first we can always start with type HTML. So next using open HTML and open body tag and using PHP simple. So PHP using echo double quotation. I am using hello world. You using any word, so your name, anything. I am using hello world. End with semicolon. You use must. So next close the PHP and then your program will be over. Example program will be over. Then run the Chrome to local hosting. Local hosting / file folder name you can use. I am using LC, so LC to use and enter. Hello world will be printed. So next you can see the comment in PHP. A comment in PHP code can line that is not executed as a point of the program. It only proposed into reading by sum of look at the end code. Two types of comment: single line comment and multi-line comment. So single line command start with double slash. Any text between double slash and end of the line will be ignored. You can also use slash for a single line command, but in this tutorial we use double slash. For example, right, for example of the code. So select all to backspace. So this is also same program. Doc type using HTML tag open, then body tag, so in this always using PHP main. So echo double quotation. So in this place I am welcome home. End with semicolon, double slash, and using output a welcome. So welcome program. This word will be typed and close the PHP. So shall we run the program? Local hosting. So same way, local hosting /lc. So already this the result of the welcome home. Okay, so next we can move the another topic, PHP multi-line command start with slash star and end with slash star slash. Any text between slash star and star slash will be ignored. For example, open VS Code to I think more times for that. So echo will be slash, so double quotation, and so PHP next line you can use $x equal to 5 slash star slash star slash star plus 15 star slash end. So next plus 5 end with semicolon. So ecosystem, so run the program last. So $x in the example program and run the local hosting LC. So same index. So this is the way of done. So answer. Okay, that so start with slash star, end with slash star slash. So this is a multi-line commands. Multi-line commands So any text between /star and // will be ignored. So single line comments will be start // Okay, thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!